On video.
Box?
Shaya's gonna open his present.
Kind of.
Let's see. Open the present. Back.
Can you turn it sideways? No, he was so unfair.
Okay. Maybe the kids could open it a little bit. Be careful with his head. I don't want you to break the box into his head. Oh boy!
Mickey Mouse.
This is from
It's what?
He's the last one to see the present.
this is from Grandma and Papa for Shaya.
It's what Abby has.
It's a box!
Abby has.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, look, bring it over to Shia.
Show Shaya. This is for Shaya, not everybody else.
Boy!
Wow!
So exciting. You're going to sit on it, Shia?
That's from Grandma and
Did
Papa.
you put them on it?
Yeah.
You have to put all the pieces.
Wow! Let's see.
Helicopter.
Excuse me.
Wait.
Shaya! Move over, guys. I want to see Shaya.
Shia, sit up.
Shaya, sit. I think he wants to see the Mickey. Shaya! Shia, look! Shia!
Look at Daddy. Where's
Shia, hi!
Shia, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? You know where Daddy is?
He's okay, Abby.
On an airplane or a helicopter.
Wow. Okay, guys, move over. Hi, Shaya. He's just staring at it.
Big down. You can't really reach the floor quite yet.
Hi.